Hey credit cousins, in the last video we discussed this amazing credit union that has gems just like Navy Federal, and anybody can join. But many of you had concerns on why your application for membership was denied. So in this video I will share why and how you can turn your membership application around to get approved for a high limit credit card at PSECU. So keep watching. So the hottest credit union on the map is PSCU. I made a video here about some of the greatest perks of joining. You can get up to a $30K credit card, a $20K loan, and earn $250 cash all with one inquiry. We have credit cousins here that got instantly approved for $30,000, which is amazing. But we have had a few credit cousins who were denied membership. So now that they don't have a chance of applying for a credit card. So if you are denied a membership, here is what you can do. PSECU uses check systems when determining your eligibility for membership. Check systems is a data broker that reports negatively for checking and savings accounts, so you will want to have no history with them. You may have frozen your check systems or have had a negative history with them based on prior relationships with other banks. So first, what you want to do is unfreeze your check system report. I'll have all of the instructions down below of how you can unfreeze them. Then call PSECU to be reconsidered again. You will also need to unfreeze and unlock your Experian credit profile. If your Experian profile is frozen or locked before applying for membership, they will likely deny you because they cannot access your credit report. They will pull your credit profile from Experian for membership, but you can use that same hard pull to apply for their credit and loan products. Yes, wow. You want to do this before 30 days have passed so it won't become two hard inquiries. The hard inquiry will last for 30 days so they won't have to pull your credit again if you decide to be reconsidered after unfreezing your check system and Experian profile. PSECU is very generous and it's kind of hard not to pass up on this opportunity. If you want to get a chance at $50K in credit and loan products with them and just with one inquiry, and you don't even have to build a relationship prior to getting approved for these type of high limit products. This is amazing. Everyone is eligible to join. You just have to pay the $10 friend membership if you do not live in Pennsylvania, because this credit union is targeted for Pennsylvania state employees. Also, be mindful that there is an influx of new customers applying, so it may take 1 to 2 business days to see your membership approvals for some due to the big talk around this credit union in the last couple of days. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful for you all. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you've been approved or denied, and if you want to, share your data points to help one another. A lot of my credit cousins are in the Credit Cousin Club, which is the private group, and we are sharing our data points there. So make sure you join the group. The link is in the description below and pinned comments. See you guys in the next one. Let's get it! Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, in collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.